Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by gathering the essentials, the SSD model and how it connects to your system. Check the physical label or system listings now, then record the exact model string. Once done, inspect the connector type, SATA, M2, or PCIe, because that narrows generation possibilities immediately. Make sure to keep your system powered and avoid disconnecting drives. Now that you have the model and interface, you're ready to run one quick software check to confirm the drive's protocol and capabilities. You'll now use tools to read the drive's reported protocol and link capabilities. On Windows, open Crystal Disk Info to see whether the drive reports SATA or NVMe. On Mac OS, use System Information. On Linux, run NVMe List or NVMe ID Control for NVMe namespace details, and use LSBCI to see PCIe link speed and lanes. Once you have link speed and lane count, convert that to generation, for example, 2. 5GT/S is PCIe Gen 1, 5. You finish by confirming the generation from the manufacturer's spec sheet using the exact model string you recorded. That gives a definitive answer. If the reported link speed or protocol looks wrong, update the SSD firmware and your motherboard BIOS or UEFI, then reboot and recheck. Make sure to reseat the drive or try a different M2 slot if speeds remain low. Troubleshooting tip: if the drive still shows a lower PCIe generation, change cables or slots and rerun the diagnostic tools to rule out a slot or host limitation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.